Beep 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 bop beep beep. Also, what is up? How you doing, Wisp? I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. You know, I'm just here. I love that so much. I love the little things, by the way. Let's see. All right. At a drive-through, waiting for food. What are you getting? What are you getting, Wisp? About to go home in a little bit. Actually, I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like that sounds like really good right now. Drive-through food. Right? Chicken sandwich and fries. We love chicken sandwich and fries. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh God, now am I hungry? Is that what's happening? Am I the one that's hungry? Anything good in our store? Oh, we have this. What is this from? I've never seen this from this axe thing. What bundle is this? What is? I've never seen this. Yeah, I went to the bookstore and did some grocery shopping, and now I'm gonna get dinner because I have nothing else to do. That actually sounds. That's actually really nice. Did you get anything at the bookstore? Let's see. If I find the axe in here, maybe you could tell me what bundle it's from. Is this it? No. Here's another axe. There's the fan. Here it is. I've never seen this axe before. Solo comping disgusting. Raph, you want to fix that, or are you at work? I think you're at work, aren't you? Listen, Rafi, I think if I can do it, if anyone else can do it, I can do it, right? Making it. I got 3 Demon Slayer manga. W. Nice. Okay, you can make a closed party, open party now. So you can just, you can request to join. So I'm guessing those are like closed off parties. I didn't even know you could do that. I'm working. What's up with? Boo, work. For real. But somebody's got to put food on the table. Do I actually really want to comp this? You know what? We're gonna do one death match. We'll do a quick death match. You know what I mean? And then try to work up into comp. This is the very first time I'm actually gonna do a what's it called, a death match. Let's see how it goes. For real, I'm hopping on, hoping Drowsy's getting famous and so he can support me. One of these days, Ruffy. Once I get rich and famous, all right, I'm gonna fly everybody out, and we're gonna go to that one resort that I said. Remember? It's what the heck? Oh, there we go. But we'll end up heading off to like that one resort in Vietnam, and then we'll all like hang out there. Oh, please. Holding you to it. Don't worry. It'll be like, what the fuck? I was eating. God damn it. What the fucking shit? God, I should have expected. Blech. I'm ass. I'm just ass. God, why? This is unfair. This is so unfair. Somebody here? No? Whatever. You know, we can do this. We can do this.
Fight. Keep it cool. That's how you survive.
I hate this guy so much. The fact that he's just confident in me. I'm gonna swing this and get shot in the back of the head. God damn it, that was my kill. I don't know where this is coming from. Where are these guys coming from? They're just everywhere. At least I got him before I died. God damn it. Oh shit, okay.
Got one.
I heard someone spawn here. Right? Nope, they spawned behind me. They spawned behind me, guys. God, I suck. I stink ass. Doo-doo cheeks, for real. Like, bum so bad. Fuck you. Ow, fuck me. Bitch. Now I'm on one shot, though. Literally anything could kill me. Anything. Please, just let me get a heal. Fuck. I stink. Why is that guy not dead yet? Holy shit, why is everyone hopping? Fuck. Huh? No. Okay, that's unfair. That's so unfair. Peeking and then having like 3 people on you. Okay.
Finished.
Did you hear someone spawn back here? Oh. I missed.
No more sofa.
Where is everybody? I heard someone spawn somewhere. I admit, I could have angled better. I stink. Come on, peek it again. Fuck! He peeked it again! Omen. Oh. I lagged out there. I swear I'm not that bad. I'm not this bad, guys. I'm not that bad. I'm not this bad, guys. I'm not this bad. Never again am I playing this game. We're just gonna queue straight into comp. I'm not playing this game ever again. You're kidding me. Okay. You're shitting me, huh? How? Did that guy not hit him at all?
10
Whoa.
kills remaining.
I'm just, you know? I'm just not there. Just not worth it, huh? I was just gonna try to run and gun him. For real try to run and gun him.
kills remaining.
I'm not gonna place. I'm terrible right now. Okay. Okay. So sorry, Sky. So sorry, me. So sorry, me.
Terminated.
I just think.
Variable removed.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Why? At least get him. At least get him. Nice. It's kind of all I wanted. I'm not gonna lie to you. Those guys are in your walls for real, little rats. Yeah, you know how I am. 6th place, whatever. Jesus, that stinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Technically, I tied for 6, but I'm 7th place. At least I got better average combat score, huh? That stinks so much. This stinks so much. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Ken, for the gifted sub. Thank you. Also, how are you doing? What is up? Alright. We're gonna. Yo! I'm good. How are you? I'm doing fantastic. What's it called? Now I'm about to torture myself though by putting myself into comp. Let's go. We already had the warm up. We're already good, right? What's the worst that could happen? Let's see. Competitive. Okay, lately it's been looking up though, right? Like positive, not positive, but at least positive technically with assist amount. Positive, almost positive, almost positive. Listen, pretty good, huh? Pretty good. Smelly? Not the solo queue. Gabby, please, I need help. There's no way I'm playing this game. Like, it's just terrible. It's a terrible game. Thank you, no more ads. Oh no. You're welcome. Stop. Good luck. Thank you, Rafi. Thank you so much. Also, who are you calling smelly? Ain't no way you calling me smelly, bro. Alright. Focus up, gang. Focus up. Oh shit. It's fracture. I hate this map so much. Literally, if it was something like a scent or like, icebox, it's like, okay, it's not too bad. That's not too bad. That guy just locked in this person's Reyna. I'm already feeling this team's gonna be bad. So he wants to go Brim? Or they want to go Brim? I love Myri. 75 hertz. Movement gap. Not bag, #Riz. Alarm clock, #gold. How are you feeling about this whole team? I hope you lose. Beth, why? OMG Refi, I have tea for you. Hey, Wishby. OMG, more tea? Hold on. I want to know what this tea's about too. Can I drink some tea? Can I drink some tea, Beth? Please, Bethel. Please. Alright. No, I'm mad at you? Ain't no way. I haven't even done anything, Beth. Legitimately have done nothing. Alright. I guess, right. I don't know. This is like the only thing. I don't like beef, so you can keep it to yourself. That's actually such a good line. I don't like beef. Keep it to yourself. Drowsy almost killed Camel. I did not almost kill Camel. Cookies. What is up, Cookies? How you doing? Also, if you hear like a little rapper noise, it is totally not me eating a mini chocolate bar. Totally not me. A good chocolate bar. Jolly winner, Matha, I'm Blue, Viper, and Pickle Lover. I'm not gonna lie to you, Pickle Lover is you know, Pickle Lover is definitely gonna be wrecking our day, I feel. Also, what is our comp? Phoenix, Viper, Sky, Chamber, Deadlock? Is it just me or is that like slightly weird? Right? I don't know. Your comp worse, for real? Sova, Sage, Brim, Neon, Reyna. I mean, we have the Initiator. We also have, like... the only thing that we don't have, right, are blinds. Or flashes, I mean. But, I mean, like, we also make it up with the Smokes and Sage Wall and Reyna Blind. Neon Wall. They have double Sentinels. Yeah, but that's honestly, like, I think that's fine because I feel like, you know, what's it called? I don't know. I don't think, like, what are the odds they actually are smart and, like, place a Sentinel on each site, each different site? 2 flashes, just bad smokes. Sorry, but Neon and but every Neon I ever had on this map does shit. So that's what I'm saying. Honestly, that's true. But then again, you know, what if this is the change, huh? What if this is the change, Beth? What if this is it? All right. So here's how we're gonna start, like, being able to tell comms. Okay, we're gonna shoot stuff, and then we're gonna give comms of like what we're doing. Okay. That's what I'm saying. His name is I am bad, but that means that he's good, right? It's literally I am bad #Grizz. Come on. Think about it, Beth. That definitely screams I'm a Smurf.
Launching smoke. Dim beacon here. Scanning ahead.
Reloading. Here.
What?
Where's the one on site? Ouch. Ooh.
Last player standing.
Oh, well, this is not good. That's not good. That's not good.
Neon. Perhaps I will knock an arrow in advance.
Oh my god.
Very little time to react once you start the fight.
Oh my god, I can already tell this is bad. I can already tell that this is gonna be bad. Just based off of the Reyna in general. Why is everybody going that way? What the fuck? They just left bomb with me? You know what? What do I do at this point, huh? GG? I honestly, it might be a GG moment.
Revealing area.
Flash it, flash it. Wait, do you even have flash? Yeah.
Oh, there's one on
Hang on, I'm on.
site.
Spike down B.
78 dinked. Deadlock 78.
One canteen, one gen. Oh, Bochen.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Close.
Last one gen, last one gen.
Close. Gen.
You still no.
Reload your mags and let's get back out there.
oh, 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 oh. Oh my lord, the aim. Listen, at least he got a head dink, right? If it was like an actual gun that he got the head dink, think about it. Oh, okay. He's
I
opening
do
the door.
Sage. Don't go to Sage.
They have a deadlock wall, A main.
Wait, like, huh?
Scanning ahead. There they are.
God damn it. Ooh. Shit, I didn't know where I was. I thought it was still in main. Thought I was able to like walk back, but guess not. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. 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 Hey, so, so guys, I'm thinking that this game is one of those warm-up rounds, right? Where it's like, you know, we kind of get working, and then we reach second half. And then once we get to second half, we then start picking it up, huh? What do we think? What do we think? You guys think the same, exact same thing as me? Oh God, do I just want to save with them? I guess I do, right? They're buying a Bucky.
Revealing area.
Enemy spotted B.
God damn it. 92 Phoenix probably healed. Oh my.
Spike down B. One enemy remaining.
Last one's arcade.
Smoke's down.
You guys got this?
I got spike.
There.
30 seconds left.
Amazing work. Great teamwork. Great teamwork. Oh my fucking god, I'm gonna, oh my god, oh my goodness. Can someone check if Home Depot is like selling rope for free right now? If they got a sale or something? I'm trying to learn how to get my Boy Scout knot tying patch. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's what I wanted. Brimby fell off, dog. He's talking to me? He is talking to me. Oh wait, no, he isn't talking to me. I thought it was Brim for a second.
I've got your trail.
I'm just gonna wait for this to like peek through.
Down you go.
Nice.
I'm out of here.
Reloading.
I'm opening door.
Smoke's down.
Go.
Revealing area.
Kinda can't, you dumb. Fucking stupid or some shit. One ropes. Running back into CT smart.
Plant the spike.
I can't.
One enemy remaining.
I literally can't. I can't. I know I have to. I'm getting shot at. You fucking bitch. You fucking bitch.
Go, go, go.
You know what? Fuck this shit. I'm out of here.
Nice.
We don't need to peek. I don't know what we're doing. We don't need to peek, right? I can dart this right here real quick. See. Never mind, we're good.
Nah.
I have survived more.
What the fuck? What the fuck is this team? I hate this team so much. It's the worst. It's the worst. Lord have mercy, gang. You know, maybe I should tell myself never to play solo comp ever again. It's just not it, right?
On. Right side.
I'm rotating over to B site.
Side's clear.
Side is clear, guys.
Can you try to res me, please?
Yo, say heal, please.
Joke's over! You're dead! You want to play? Let's play.
Oh my god.
Guys, I don't recommend peeking the off here. I don't think
Oh
that's a play.
my fucking god.
Enemy down.
Amazing work.
One enemy remaining.
Under, on the wall,
Nice.
Go, go, go. Can't use this yet.
Okay. It's fine. We can keep it together, babe. Remember yesterday when you asked me for titty pics? Beth, I have zero clue what you were talking about. Beth, listen, I respect you fully as an hashtag ally, and also as a great friend. I would never, ever do that. I'll get the screenshot. Beth.
It was Brim.
Beth. How's your day been?
Aight.
Go, go, go.
Stim beacon down. Fully smoked.
Get lost. Go, go.
Revealing area.
Oh, in smoke.
Spike down A.
I have the
No, let me.
Thank you.
They should have dug a deeper grave.
Okay, 100 on deadlock.
Spike
I'm
down
47
A.
on chamber.
Careful.
There's gonna be 3 in link.
One enemy remaining.
Nice, great
him.
ult, great ult, literally
Him,
great
dude.
ult.
On him.
Holy
Give her shit, give her shit.
shit! Holy
Shut the mouth.
shit!
Timberless.
Just you know. He said, wait a minute, wait a minute, give me a moment. Oh my god. Yeah, that was me. Could be us. Come home from work, I miss us. Okay. Or I miss you. Beth, why don't you talk to me like that ever? It's literally just the Raffy. That's it.
Gotta go.
Stim beacon down.
Welcome
Launching
to
smoke.
my world.
Molly.
God, great shots. What the fuck? This guy's actually like built fucking diff.
Flag planted.
Okay.
Honestly, for the better, huh?
Flank and Gen. Both stairs.
Shot down.
One enemy remaining.
Left.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, what the? Yes, sir.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my great G golly.
I'll teach you.
Look at that. I distracted them so much that they were so focused on me that I let the sage go around. That was all my plan. Literally my plan right there. Literally so much. Because you told me you're saving yourself for someone. Yeah. And his name is Jesus Christ. That's the only person I'm saving myself for. Have I ever told you that you need to repent for the second coming is going to be soon? You like men? Amen.
That is not flagging us. Nah.
Great kill,
Oh,
great
go
kill.
in. Go in.
Revealing area.
My territory is mine.
Ooh, help me, help me, help me. Also, there's one on site. Careful, one on
I tried
site.
to save you. I tried to save
No,
you.
no, all
there.
good, all good. Yeah, yeah.
I tried my best. I tried my best.
Spike down A.
Nice, good kill. I think Chamber and
close.
Deadlock are somewhere
Get closer,
both
just
here.
get closer. No, just wait, just wait. Don't peek.
One enemy remaining.
Close right, right.
Honestly,
Which one?
they're good to plant. They're good to plant. Amazing work for real, gang. Holy shit. The only man I love is the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. And that's a fact. Man? I don't know how it works. I'm not gonna fully lie. I left that way long ago. Can someone correct that for me? What is it? How does that work? I mean, wrecked, he says. What?
Keep them cornered.
All right.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Stim beacon here. Scanning ahead. Smoke's down.
The article there, bro.
Oh my god!
Go in.
80 on Viper.
Come on.
Careful close. Nice, good kill.
Tower.
And then one might be tower.
Reloading.
Cubby.
Nice, good kill.
My ultimate is ready.
One enemy remaining.
Amazing work. Holy shit. Holy shit. Everybody's so much better. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Clock ticking.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Everybody's fucking rich. Look at this. When was the last time this Sage died? What'd I say? What did I say? For real, for real.
Need a drop.
Give me heads. My bad.
Oh nah.
Stim beacon down. Revealing area.
Still in sight. Enemy spotted me.
Mollied off.
Spike planted.
Opponent killed. Reloading.
Oh my god.
Healing.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Oh my god. I feel so useless on this team. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I feel so useless, gang. Like everybody's just like executing so much better than me, and I'm just here. I'm literally just here. It makes it. I don't know what to do, right? Plus, look at Matha left. It's like. I don't deserve any Ela that's about to come to me. 110%. I don't deserve it. What do I do? What do I do? All right. Here's the plan. How we get a kill.
Your trial.
We're just gonna go in. We're not gonna even like worry about.
Reyna! Rain him down.
Oh.
Okay, I'm mollied off. I can't do anything.
What the shit? 80 on Phoenix. Careful.
Spike down.
Near tower. Phoenix also there.
One enemy remaining.
Nice, good trade.
Last
Trade me, bro.
Nice, good shit. Good shit.
Is what I trained for. Your duty is not over.
switching sides.
Thank you.
Okay. What the hell? Ren. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Look at the score. 310. I'm so doo-doo cheeks. However, my team is just absolutely shitting on everybody. It makes no sense. You think? Nah, you actually reek. Poke, when was the last time you actually played Valorant? Did you? Please never select you again. You for sure, Gary. Come on, Gavin, don't say stuff like that. You're lying to me. Oh shit, it's not even here. Ooh.
Spike down A.
Oh, there's already one in our spawn. Careful. Wait, what the fuck? How did one get into our spawn? Huh?
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
No way. Ace.
Amazing work. Amazing work. Amazing work. How's the game going, Shy? Amazing. I'm obviously carrying my team right now. What are you doing right now, huh? What do you mean? What are you doing? What are you doing, Shy? Don't look at the score. Ignore this. Ignore this score. We're doing great.
108 169252. Bomb his house, chat.
Wait, did he just say his? Did this guy just say this guy's address? I'm just gonna, you know.
Revealing area.
Oh my god.
What the flip? There's no blood there.
Shot down.
Oh, that's not what I meant to do. We gotta get going. Time to get going.
Spike planted.
I got
Scanning ahead.
phantom drop.
Yo, someone's gonna trust me, guys.
Shit! Holy fucking shit!
Enemy
They're all one. Oh my days. Reyna, he's one. He's one shot with the Marshall.
thrifty.
Oh, NT. NT. Not much you could do there. I just can't right now. I just fucking can't right now, guys. I don't want to even look at it. Look at this. This is my motivation right now. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna even lie to you. I feel like Poke would get muted 10 times faster. All right, we got this.
I've got your trail.
Scanning ahead. Shot down.
What the fuck? I didn't even realize it could bounce off of these little things.
Scan it.
I didn't have a scan. Wait, is he talking to me, scan? I didn't have a scan. Did I? Am I going crazy? I don't know. It smells like I'm trying to kill a vampire in my room because I split like half a container of garlic.
Last player standing.
1v4, easy ace. Easy quad kill right here. He's the sheriff of High Noon. Nobody talks to my girlfriend in a mean way. Wait. I have a clip of Pokey Sky yelling at someone EU or some EU guy for flaming me white knights. Only people ever defend me. That's not true, Beth. I've defended you. So has Rafi, and so has Giz. We will always defend you, because we are #allies. Dog. Oh no, she's gonna say something really bad.
Revealing area.
Beth,
Kill 'em all.
that's
Gotta kill 'em
not
all.
true, Beth.
Pokemon.
That's not true. Is it?
Remember.
Get him, boy.
Taken out.
Oh. Oh my god.
standing.
80 on chamber. Oh. 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 Beth, I'm so sorry. I will never let that happen again. Never, you hear?
Right.
I
Now I'm getting
promise.
angry.
I promise, Bethel. Okay, don't say yeah. Don't say yeah, Beth. Don't say yeah sarcastically. Listen, I would never. Again.
I Sova. So plan here, bro. Okay.
Alright. Joe.
You down B tree and I'm gonna ult them. Alright?
Yes, sir.
You go, King. You go.
Here we go.
Oh, never mind. never mind.
Oh. Well, you know, all that matters is that we try, you know? For real, for real.
Bro. Like, it's the friends we made along the way, you know?
Exactly, exactly.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
What is that? What is that ability?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
Get him out, chat.
Even with numbers and remember that.
They're baffled by how ass this Sova is. Nah. They've been knowing. They've been knowing, bro.
Oh.
Ain't nobody baffled. Ain't nobody baffled.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no. Or.
What do these guys both remind me of, like, Justin?
What if are we force stacking B?
Because they're gonna go B, for sure.
No, they're not, bro. Asa Joe. Asian Joe. Wu-Tang in the middle.
Revealing area.
That's A.
Ah, shit. They ain't going B.
How the hell did I still kill Deadlock?
Gun here.
Alright, Sage
Just watch
back here.
sand. Just watch
You have
sand.
2
Watch
kills
sand.
and you
Watch
res
sand.
me.
Oh my god.
Just watch sand. Just watch
Good trick.
sand.
Oh my goodness. What is this? Dead like a person shader. She makes people pop as squat. She makes me pop something on right now, Bookie. We
Wake
don't
up.
like the regions. What'd she pick up a gun for? What do you mean? Vandal. You're so ass, what the fuck? Ren, listen. This is such an off game, it's not even funny. I have not hit any of my shots, like literally 0.
For you.
Oh god. This is not an off game. Probably gonna say something like, this is just
Heaven.
you ass. Woo. Look at that kill. Oh my god. Check the career after this game. Alright. Best game in months. You think so? You for real think so? Literally the second I we went in round 1 honestly, let's be honest, round 1 I knew I was like
Reina not out of the match even with AFK.
it was already going bad. Moving his mouse.
Nah, bro's getting reported.
Hey, just what up, bro? Let's jump it.
Chat. Cut his balls off.
What the hell? I wonder if they're both like streamers.
ahead.
Why?
Oh.
Yo, what? What I mean?
Oh.
Smoke's down.
At least we know they can only come from one way, huh?
Yo, just ult him. Just ult him when he ults you, okay? When he plants. Backside, ult it.
Spike planted.
Still stands, by the way. 39, 40 chamber.
Multiple enemies, A.
Oi.
Oh,
Player standing.
16.
Really?
That's my bad. 16-8. That's my bad. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised your ping is spiking. I'm also surprised my ping is spiking. Oh, just as we said that, it spiked a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, Opus doing it. Oh. Hold on, can I check my career like in this mode? I don't think I can. Ooh. Let's change the crosshair. What if it's the crosshair? It's just the crosshair, guys. Come on, let's be honest with ourselves. It's the crosshair. It's the crosshair.
Mods, report him, ass.
That's what it is. That's what it is. It's 100% the crosshair. It's the
Hey
crosshair.
guys. Never back down, never what?
Never give
Never
up.
back down, never what?
Never give up.
I'm the ladder, never back down, never won.
Never give up. Anyways,
Okay.
what's it called?
Okay.
What the frick, bro?
I know it's cursed, my bad. What if it's the player? You know, if it is the player, then shit, bro, we're fucking screwed.
Revealing area.
Cause we can't change that shit.
Found them.
What?
Oh,
Play for me.
Over. You're dead.
oh, 65 at least, you know. At least got that, huh? At least got that, huh? At least.
He's in.
Oh. Look at that.
I'm on team. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Phoenix has to be main. Yeah, Phoenix is definitely main.
One enemy remaining.
Last one's tower.
B.
Yeah,
my
okay, that's what I
lord.
thought. Yeah. Oh, that hurts. That hurts a lot. That hurts a little bit. That hurts a lot. That hurts a lot. I'm not gonna lie
He's
to
not
you.
even moving his mouth though. Look.
PP,
Watch,
what is
watch,
up,
guys.
Scooby? What is up, Scooby? At least the player gets bitches. Unlike you, Poke. You spittin'. Oh man, Scooby, I'm not gonna lie to you. If this is the one stream you tune into for like, you know, every once in a while, I don't know if it's the one, man. Look at this score, it's terrible, it's ass. I have half the. At least I'm almost catching up here. You know what I mean? So that's all that matters. But like, jeez, Louise.
Scanning ahead.
Like I just haven't been doing good. I just haven't been doing good. You think they'll still be here? Oh, I guess they do.
I'm gonna go B.
I'm gonna hold on.
Inside already.
Yeah. All right. Rotating over. I have drone.
Spike planted.
Ooh.
Revealing area.
Well, I guess I can't get up.
Last
Oh.
player standing.
That's so unfortunately. That's so unfortunate. That's so unfortunate. What is that, KDA? Ren, I don't want to hear anything. Ren, I don't want to hear anything. Listen, man. Listen, I'm trying.
We are strong because
It's
we
an
are
off game.
Don't
It's
forget
an
that.
off game. Oh god. You know what? No, I don't have smokes to hide in. I can't judge this shit. It's either I go. Shit, I don't even know what to do. You just suck. Ren, I thought you were on my side. What is this shit? What is this? Alright. We'll go this way. Ryan, this isn't the game. This isn't the game. Trust me, man. Oh my god.
Spike down. Attacker spawn.
I've got your trail.
No use.
Oh, you're kidding me. Okay. Yeah, I agree. 100%. Oh, I agree.
Last
Now you
player
got this
standing.
though. Now I'm here for emotional support. No, you don't. He suck ass. You got it. What is my chat? His KD is 920, something like that. Ren, oh, what happened, man? You were such a sweet lad. And then all of a sudden you see that 920 and you switch up. Ren, I'm trying for you, man. I'm trying. What the fuck? Even Ryan's like, oh shit, I can't even defend that. Oh boy. Are you playing like this when you go probably? That's what I mean. You can't screenshot. You can't, bro. That's ads. Jesus Christ, Drowsy. Listen, I'm just getting outgunned so much. It's not even funny. It's just, you think I'm dropping this for such an I'm going 34. Oh god, they're going shotgun. Shotgun. Oh god. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's take a quick breath. Quick sit up. Cracking my back a little bit. Alright.
Let us hunt.
Let's go.
Revealing area.
There's signs.
Silence.
Shit. Okay, whatever. Blah. Oh my god, who's raiding? I can't even. Rose, this isn't the game you want to raid to. Oh no. Rose raid, thank you so much, Rose. Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in. Listen, ignore the score. Okay, it's bad. I know it's bad, but I'm trying, guys. Leave, he sucks. Ren, you're supposed to welcome them. You're supposed to welcome them,
Let's
Ren.
go, Bob.
Holy shit, let's go. Oh my
What,
god.
buddy?
Good clutch. Holy shit. Ren, how's your stream? How's your
As a collective
stream?
group, we should report right now. Yeah? As a collective individual.
As a collective individual. Holy shit, I have 21 deaths.
What the hell?
The fact that I have the most deaths out of everybody. How? I'll support you regardless of the game. I'm late, but Rose Raid, it is a-okay. Welcome in, Honeydew. Welcome in. How is your day going?
4 seconds side, so one retake is gonna be 4 people.
Alright, you know what? That's fine.
Don't die.
Scanning ahead.
You're going A site, yeah. Oh, maybe? I'll anchor B. 2 B main. A lot B main.
You're dead.
Shock dart.
Are they going under? Where are they going? What the
Wait for Silva.
Okay. Ain't no way they just baited like the whole thing. I'm here. I have recon dart and then 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Not ready yet. Scanning ahead. I am the hunter.
What? You should have saved it.
Shh.
Yeah, they're definitely rotating.
Go.
I instantly fat fingered it. I'm not gonna even lie to you.
Last player standing.
Oh.
30 seconds left.
Holy shit. I'm just bad, guys. I'm terrible right now. It's not even funny. I'm blah.
My territory.
Oh my god.
Switching sides.
Kinda sad. Good. That's great to hear. That is great to hear, Honeydew. At least one of us is doing great. At least we're doing great, To be honest, I was gonna play Val. I just never got around to downloading them. Wait, so you don't even play Val, Ren? You don't even play Val? And you're criticizing me? Honestly, you probably are gonna be better than me, though. Rose redeemed the hydrate. I will drink that. Actually, I have time. Screw it. I'll drink it within 6 seconds, right?
Watch and learn.
Walk.
I got this. Good. Don't Drowsy will try to trick you into comp. No, I won't. Hold
10
on.
seconds. Trust me.
Ready to send it out when you guys are.
120.
3, 2, 1.
Revealing area.
Stim beacon here.
40,
Okay.
40. Tower, tower.
Push him. Tower, someone go tower.
Flag planted.
Oh my god. 40 on Viper. Two canteen. Two canteen. One arcade. Two canteen.
One enemy remaining.
down.
Oh, okay, okay.
You think he holds? I think he holds.
Take it.
Last player.
NT. Really good try. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We can bring it back. We can clutch it up. We can clutch it up. We can clutch it up. Drowsy, don't worry. Wait, no. Skill issue. Some of our players are fucking weird. I don't know, man. Oh, bro's collab. It'll be fun. 0.2 seconds later. As we're doing comp. Pretty sure it's not as bad as a COD game, but still. How do you even miss that? How do I? Oh, me or
Hi
me or
guys,
them?
the three Odins.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna stick to this side. I haven't been on this side yet. It's 3 on this side. I don't actually know if I want to spread. Busted, never mind.
Revealing area.
Oh, is it? Are they on the other side?
Spike
They are on
planted.
the other side.
Enemy B.
Under the three Viper.
Oh my.
Standing.
Okay. I did not know where I was gonna look. Whatever. It's paid. It's the paid. It's so. Why do I put myself in this? Why do I choose to play this game? It's just suffering. It's just suffering. That's all it is. Look at this. Look at this career. Look. Wait. Hold on. Where's the comp games? Look at this. Look, it's an off game. I'm telling you, I'm not that bad. I swear. This one's okay. This one is different, okay? This one's different. But still, look, it's not that bad. I swear it's an off game. I swear it's an off game. But like, Lord have mercy. What's this one? What was this? No Cammy. Oh, I think wait, did I? I soloed this? 15-14. And then, what was this one? 10-16. Yeah, that sounds about right. Don't worry, you'll go positive soon. There are 4 games right there with less than 10 kills? What do you mean? What do you mean? We're looking at comp right now. There's only 2 games. Wait, what? Where's the last game that we just played? Is it not here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7-17. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 5-15 at the bottom. We're really counting this one? You're really counting this one, Poke? Ain't no way. This is probably from like last season. Back whenever it was. You have some good games, some bad games. Literally, it's never in between. It's never in between. Wait. I feel like my coach / older brother's pressing over my shoulder, just staring at me in disappointment. I sound improperly and playing Ruckus. I get flustered. Listen, if it's the fact that people are watching me, you know what I mean? Thanks for the elo, he says. Well, you know what they say, right? You know what they say. GG, go next. GG, go next. Also, what's up, Demi? How you doing? Trust me, no one is watching this. Oh, thank God, right? Thank God you said that. You know what? Maybe now, what's it called? Maybe now I'll play better. I just hear his voice going, so what'd you do wrong there? I'm doing good. How about you? Well, 99.9% of my chat right now is flaming me for my last game. But you got this, babe. Don't even. You win this one, you ass. You got this, babe. You gotta go positive. I love how she snuck in the you ass thing. Just like 3/4 motivation, 1/4 like negativity. You know what I mean? Oh my God, I haven't played COD in so long. Holy shit, I don't think I've played COD in like a while either. Also, Rose, I feel that so much. I feel like I do something, right? And then next thing you know, wait, they took my brimstone. Oh shit, I don't know who do I play on this map? I don't know how to play anyone else. I'm kind of. Do I just pull out the new Deadlock? Never before have I ever played her. Cypher, bro? Nah, we're doing Deadlock. What's the worst that can happen? Come on, guys. Like, what's the worst that can happen? You know what? If you want me to join... wait, sorry, hold on, what? If you know... Wait. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna look away from the text and maybe my dyslexia will, like, process real quick and then it'll just, like, leave, okay? You know what? If you want me to join, I'll join you for 1 to 2 comp games after you finish this one so I can mentally prepare myself first. Rose, I appreciate the offer, but you do not need to put yourself through this suffering. You don't need to do it. Let's see. Wait. Sonic sensor. Okay, so this one's the one that sticks to walls. This one's the grenade, right? So if I pull this out, okay. And if I hit E, I believe that... So we're gonna throw this here. We're also gonna throw this one here, right? Or here, right? And then I can also throw a wall right here if I hear them. I don't think they're gonna go here though. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna go here, but then again, I don't want to leave Seaside like alone. Nope. Okay, they're gonna go. They're gonna commit. They're gonna commit to B. All right. See, this is like one of those moments where it's like, what do you think you did wrong there? Oh my fucking God. Nice good kill. Nice, amazing kills. Great shit. What the fuck? My friend has like 1K hours on PUBG. Holy shit. That's insane. Rafa, your Yoru goes blazy. KDA gonna be 112. Joe, did I show you my fire as fuck ace? No, you didn't. Send that to me. Send it to me. We'll watch it like after, like nearing the end of stream. I'm just gonna buy this. Oh my God, she stays showing everybody this ace. No, it's a new one. As Omen. What the fuck? My friend has like one. Oh wait, never mind. I already read that. Bitch. I'm not gonna actually use that. How long does this last? Do you guys know? Is it longer than a smoke? Or, oh, never mind. That answers my question.
I got no more smokes.
Alright, now we play off of sound. The sound sensor.
Spike planted.
Oh, okay. They could have calmed. On my way rotating over, I'm gonna be a little late though.
Oh, one lower A, damn it.
Target down.
One enemy remaining.
Well, that's unknown, right?
Yeah, unknown. Oh,
You can defuse?
No escape.
Okay, that's good.
nice, guys.
Good stuff. Alright. You know what's bad? When the startup sounds for a game immediately puts you on edge. Rose, you don't need to torture yourself with this. You don't need to torture yourself. It's all good. Holy shit, Drowsy finally got a kill. Listen, I was top of the leaderboard. For your information. So, how about you? How do you say this? I suck my dick, Ren. Oh, I'm sorry, I actually don't mean it like that. Okay, so it's good to know because I held out E last time and I didn't actually know whether or not it gets rid of it.
Towards C again.
Fuck.
Barrier deployed.
Oh my fucking god.
Joke's over. You're dead.
What the fuck?
One by door.
Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ, everything was just unloaded on me.
Spike down. C.
Do my sound sensors keep going? Or is it like a cipher thing? Like even after I die?
Gun here.
Do you guys know? Like if I die, does my sound sensor still go off? Or is it like cipher where it's like, it dies with me? Uh-oh, that's not good.
I've got your trail.
Spike planted.
I'm trying to do this with like a Spectre's risky task.
Last player standing.
Ooh, NT. Oh. What is this? Yes, I do. I'm here. What are you going to do? Tell me the fuck off, huh? You know what, Rose? No, I'm not gonna say that. No, I'm not gonna be that mean. What's it called? Actually, you know what? Fuck it. We go shotgun, huh? We go shotgun. Here's my plan. We play it like this, right? We're playing for a peek here, a noise here, and then we shotgun this way, and then we hide back, C bend. I think that's the move. That's the move, right? Where it's like this, and then I can also do this. And then if they make some noise here like last time, then I just beam bam, hit my E, toss it over, and then, you know, whatever, right? Okay, you know what? It's not gonna be my plan anymore because like that's not how this is gonna work out. Because the world obviously wants to tell me to fuck off, you know? And I think that God damn it. I just it's a pain. She's ill but bad. Now they stopped working, but can you also slow walk past it? You can also slow walk past it. Oh, okay, that's good to know. Wait, you two works after death other than Gecko? It's just like every single until they die. When you do, geckos don't work after death anymore. They patched that ages ago. Yeah, you weren't. Suck it. We aren't sucking on things. Bet we up. All right. Let's see. Actually, do I want a shotgun or do I want a Spectre?
I'm saving. Watch every angle.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god.
Blocking movement.
1B.
Sensor out. Sensor down.
Yeah, the one's on B.
Oh god, oh god. I still have my nice, good stuff.
Out of
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Nice, good
Nice.
clutch, good clutch. Holy shit. Oh my god, everybody was just popping the fuck off there. Oh, I also have my ult. Okay. So from what I know with my ult, I activate it and I shoot it like a raise rocket, right? But it goes into like a straight line at first and it bounces off stuff. But then like at the very end, it like opens up like a sphere. Right? I think that's how that works.
leave breach to me.
If I'm thinking about right. Sova ult plus KJ ult. Okay. Gotcha.
What?
I'm gonna rotate over to you guys since there's no noise C. I also have one of my ults as well.
Pull them to their grave. Reeling them in. Target escape.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Deployed. No charges.
God damn it! I suck. Oh, I didn't register. In my head, I was like thinking like it would like make a longer X my way. I totally. Okay. I need to throw it farther back more, and then it like kind of blocks them better. Okay. I think I understand how that works. Question mark you ass. Thanks, Poke. Thanks for the motivation. Let's see. Okay.
Sound sensor up.
B.
Listening. Face your fear.
Rotating over.
I've got your trail.
3 and B.
Throwing net. No charges.
Oh my god.
Spike planted.
Oh my god. I probably shouldn't have repeat that.
Last player standing.
Sky's out.
Ooh, that was a good like tap even after death. You gotta have that confidence. You don't know how to shoot a sky ult.
You're all more important.
Um, I was too panicked with the what's it called? I was gonna try to like repeat. I didn't even register that there was a sky ult. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Like at first I saw, what was it? I wanted to like gravnet onto them, and then after the gravnet.
Listening.
Oh, actually, hold on. Would this have been better?
With me.
I don't know if this is better. It's probably worse. And again,
Sound sensor up.
I don't know if I can ever test it.
B again.
Running over to B.
Fire in the hole.
Not
I'm
running
playing
over to B.
back. With raise ult.
Spike planted.
You're kidding me. 65 on Raze. Still sealing. Breach is also sealing.
Last player standing.
Grenade. Get it. Satchel out.
I love this. Oof. Unluckers. That's the second time this stream you've been 8x1. Oops, I guess.
Stick to your roles.
Oops, I guess. Let's see. Shotgun, Guardian, Vandal. Bulldog. Is that like the not the spray of it, but like the scoped in version of the
Listening.
Bulldog?
Going to smoke it.
Sound sensor up.
Oh shit. Okay, this is a good time to test this out. If I could see again.
They go come through the door. Careful.
No escape. Sensor destroyed. No surprises.
Shit. Race pushed up into C bend.
Last player standing.
NT. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Probably could have gotten my pick.
78 grenades left.
Then
Hopefully that's enough.
back up. Actually, yeah. Then it would be probably better for me to place it there, because then I can sit
Over
here.
there.
Okay. Okay. We're formulating
No,
a
just
plan.
keep playing. Don't worry about it.
We are formulating a plan. Formulating a plan. Charge it up. Be for real. You think Judge is better than what's it called?
Listening.
Just keep playing, bro. And being negative is gonna help.
What does he say? Yeah, we're getting shut on. We lost 6 of the last 7. That's fine. Rotating over to you guys.
Spike down A.
Ooh. Oh shit. Nice.
Last player standing.
God damn it. Okay. See, the thing is, I don't want to like. I feel like with the scope, it's like I move a lot slower with like crosshair wise.
No.
It's like this, and then I don't know. I feel like I react slower on like with crosshair and stuff like that. I also move slower too. Yep. Okay. It's fine. It's fine.
But you're being negative too.
Bring your best.
Just shut the fuck up about that and keep playing, bro. Stop being fucking negative. Shut up.
Oh no.
Listening. Listening.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Is that on C site? No, that's on B site.
Right, okay.
Okay. I vault. I'm gonna pop out here.
Spike planted.
Multiple enemies C.
Pull them to their grave. Nothing there. No charges. No escape. No charges. Blocking movement.
Reloading. Satchel out.
Last player standing.
Let's do a trade at least. You got the Phoenix. Oh, there's a
Last
Vandal?
round
Oh, wait.
before
No,
the
it was
switch.
on the...
Buy the best
What's it
gear
called?
before it's too late.
That was on... What's his face? The... Race? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. It's an attack-sided map. Is it actually an attack-sided map, Beth? I guess that would make sense. CBA, less people spreaded while the team like attacks, like, you know, whatever.
Sound sensor up.
Hey,
Sound sensor up.
Okay. Rotating over.
What's this?
Fuck.
Throwing net.
You're fucking okay.
Spike planted.
I hate that. I hate that. I hate that so much.
Last player standing.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Okay.
Switching sides.
They think themselves are equals. They are
Okay.
mistaken.
How would I guess like this would be used for either placement of bomb or flank, right? Also,
Listening.
actually no. Probably be better if I placed it like here. If we're having people watch for flank. Right? Or Where would the best place be?
Time to work.
I guess we keep it actually. Just that fully confident. Stop. Stop what? Stop what, Mary?
Battle out.
Okay.
Last player standing.
Oh my god.
Flawless.
Oh my god. And there was. On the bright side though, did not get knifed.
Whatever happens, Sakin. Don't panic.
Also,
Traveling is bad for you.
they're 5 stacking that. Okay. Okay. What do what am I gonna do? What do I do?
Alright, I'm muting him. Fucking annoying bastard right now, man.
Let's see. I can't buy up because we have to save for like the next round.
You collab all you want, Sakura. Fine little bitch.
Sound sensor up.
They're pushing.
Okay.
Last
Okay.
player standing. Flawless.
They. Okay.
My smokes can block the enemy's line of sight.
You know,
Once they're
maybe. How do they know? What if we like?
Gun here.
What if we like try going A and then we run like the exact opposite site? Like if we even see any sort of util here, we just run to C instead.
Smokes down.
Alright. Wait, whipping up.
Okay.
I'm gonna rotate over to C site since it seems like they're A stacked.
Satchel out. Listening. Barrier deployed.
Ooh.
Spike planted.
Oh wait, this one. Okay.
Sound sensor up.
One enemy remaining.
No charges. Throwing net. Reloading.
Last player standing.
Nice, good trades. Good shit. Okay.
Drink some water.
Also, Mary, you came in, and I'm not gonna even lie to you. This Valorant has just been a no day, a no today. It is, it is one of those days where it's just so painful. Also, I love the fact that where's Rosa? But Rosy Bubbles. I'm just actually running spike rushes.
On my mark. Here.
All right.
Smokes down.
There.
Careful of also B mid, pushing up B mid.
Fire in the hole.
I'm gonna peek this a little bit. Never mind. I'm peeking this.
Careful.
He's close. He's close B. He wants to peek. Do it again. One more time.
Careful.
I'm gonna go into tree and then push onto site. Yeah. Oh, they're going this way. Okay, never mind then.
Go get him. Satchel out. Listening.
Clearing tree.
One enemy remaining.
Spike planted.
Oh.
Listening. Reloading. Barrier
Nice, good
deployed.
stuff.
On me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not how I normally play at ass. Did I say that? Did I say it's not how I normally play? That does not sound like something I'd say. How are you liking Deadlock? I think she's fine, right? It's just the fact that I'm playing terribly right now. In all reality, I think if I knew her abilities and like actually like played her for a little bit more,
Careful.
I think that
Careful.
it'd be a lot better.
I'll find you. Bring them down.
He's gonna blind us, and it's gonna be terrible.
Careful. Careful. Enemy spotted C. Enemy down. Reloading. Blocking sight.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Oh,
Have the spike.
careful, Bucky.
Spike down. C.
Enemy spotted C. I've got your trail.
One waterfall as well. Oh my god.
Sky's out. Here comes the party.
One enemy remaining.
Amazing work. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mary, what are you doing? I won't lie. I just laid down to take a nap. I'm laying my head down right now. I'm about to sign my grave. Send it off. Send it off. Alright. Head up, bud? What do you mean, Mary? What do you mean? Head up. Head up. 6:15. You know what? You're right. You're right. You're right. New game. New game, new peaking. New game, new peaking.
Spike down A.
I wasn't even able to process what was happening. I wasn't even able to process what was happening. You gotta push through 5 more rounds.
Last player standing.
So bad.
Match point.
Nice ulti.
Show me where to go.
You know what's crazy? Good morning, my sweet princess. Oh, how I miss you too far. My bad. That you are. Listen. We finished this game. We're done. All right, we're done. And by done, I mean we go into another game. We go GG go next, huh? Oh fuck this shit.
Spike down C.
Oh shit! I didn't even register. 2 flank on the back.
Launching smoke.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Amazing work. Amazing work. Alright. Alright, we clutch this up. We clutch this up. Even though as much as I want to just toss it into the gutter, you know what I mean? Okay. Personally, I say we bait the util A, right? And we just, if there's too much util A, we just book it C. That's what I'm saying.
Watch and learn.
I might as well. We just gotta watch out for the pushes, so. Yep, here they come.
Alright, let's run. We go C, we run C. That's at least 4 confirmed onto the A side.
Trail.
So sorry.
You got like 3 flankers from behind.
Spike planted. Sound sensor up.
Off your feet.
Pull them to their sensor is reeling them in. Target escape.
Shit.
Marked one.
1 C bend.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
NT. Good try, boys. GG's. Team diff for sure. Yeah. All right, where's Rose at with her one? She's one of. She's also losing her spec rush. She's doing fine. It's doing fine. We're fine. What's the worst that could happen, right? What's the? Oh, this is the start. This is the. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind, guys. How'd you get worse than that last game? I still need to do my placement. Don't worry, Mary. I'll do the placements for you. Alright. Where's Rose at? Alright. Hold on. Let me see if I can. Where's Rose's? Oh, there. Oh wait, that's the wrong server. Oh, there it is. Obviously, it's the gigantic Rose. Wait. Where you want me? I can join you. Hold on. Let's see if this works. Right? Is this the cafe? Am I in the right place? That's the cafe bar. This is open to everybody. I'm in your server, by the way. Just a heads up. I don't think I have like a privated thing in my server. Oh, there you are. Got it, Rose. I got it, Rose.
I pulled this here because I don't think you want anybody being able to join this. Not that I don't trust my community, but it would be kind of unfortunate if someone from my community did join the VC and start screaming things that would get you banned.
Oh yeah, of course.
So on the off chance that might happen, I pulled this in here.
Okay, so
I can drag anybody though, and I can also let my staff know to drag anyone.
Okay, got it. Yeah, no, listen, Rose. I'm so sorry. Beth requested to join. Beth, do you actually want to do this? Do you want to do this to yourself? Do you really want to do this to yourself, Beth? Oh, I do have privates in my server apparently.
I was gonna say, I assume you do.
I don't actually know. I've never actually used anything, and so
Did you make your server?
Yes and no. I had friends also help out here and there, and the thing is, here's the thing, my server was like a homeless man's cardboard box when it first like opened up. Okay, like it had like 1 or 2 VCs. It had. Well, see you later, Beth. Yeah, you thought.
Oh God, I could have left.
No. We're struggling in this. We're doing this, Rose. Are you ready? Is the real question.
No.
Oh.
I don't know who's asking me to save you, but I'm bronze.
All right, don't worry. That means here's how it's gonna work then. That we're gonna get put into your MMR, and then as a result, I'm gonna do 10 times better because they're bronze. I hope. You know? You know, like that's how that works, right, guys?
I've only played 1 season and I got placed bronze, and I was like, that's good enough for me, and I just left it at that.
Oh God.
To be fair, I've only been playing for considering the amount of time that I haven't been playing, I've been playing for probably like a total of 4 months.
All right. We're gonna okay. Here's the plan. Here's the quick plan, right, Rose?
Mm-hmm.
So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna win pistol round. However, we're gonna lose save round. Okay, and that's gonna be fine. That's gonna be okay. However, we're gonna win pistol round. We're gonna win buy up round, and then we're gonna lose save round. All right. But then from that point on, we just win the rest. We go flawless. Okay. All they get is 1. Okay. That's what's gonna happen.
Scared.
I'm scared.
God, what is this fracture? Okay.
Oh God, I don't even I don't even know what I want to play on this map. It's like one of those things where it's like, oh God. Oh, by the way, my chat.
Guys, I need help. What? Agent.
Okay, I muted him immediately. He was too loud.
Bye.
What's it called? What's it called? Okay, here's the thing, right, Rose? When my chat was asking, by the way, if they were
I have your chat pulled up
okay,
so I can see it.
okay, they were asking if it was okay though, if you know, like they flamed you, but if you whiffed a little or anything like that. If not, totally a-okay, cause like I'm allowing my chat personally, like kind of like that's how my house rules are. It's like flaming me, a-okay. I'm totally fine with it. I got thick skin. It's totally I don't. it's totally fine. But like, what's it called? Other people, like I kind of like, you know, ask and let them, you know, choose because I want to be respectful, obviously, and things like that. So, but
I whiff everything.
oh, okay. So the answer's gonna be a no. So the answer's gonna be a no. Okay. That's totally fine. No, that's totally
if
fine.
people want to make fun of me, it's fine. I guarantee you, my own chat says way worse to me on a daily basis.
Listen, Rose. I don't know, man. These guys are relentless. They're monsters, gremlins, even. Okay.
Drowsy, my kids are my mods.
You know what that means? That means this is gonna be a great game. This is gonna be a great game. I can already feel it.
I'm gonna miss.
What's the worst that
everything
can
and
happen?
Cry.
What's the worst that can happen?
I'm your key to the other side. You should at least pretend to like me.
What is this? Oh my God, Beth. I'm banning Beth. We're revoking your mod. Nope, we're not. We're not.
No, I like people that I meet online, if they're younger than me, a lot of the time I adopt them.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Oh, by the way, Chamber. I don't know if you're with what's it called? The Phoenix or anything like that. But like, just a heads up.
No, I'm not.
Okay. I don't know if like they're saying anything loud, but just so you know, like I have them muted, so there's that.
Yeah, I'm probably about to too.
Reloading.
All right.
Where are you?
Boop, bop, that. Actually, you know what? We can play back a little bit. Wait for the smoke to dissipate. We have time. Ooh, actually.
Enemy B. There. Reloading.
Let me do this real quick.
Watch out flank.
You can play bomb. Yeah, nice. I think someone's on flank. Wait, who's that?
I tried to trip on the flank.
Oh, got it.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Anybody know where this last guy is? Oh,
Arcade.
nice. Good stuff, gang. Damn. Okay.
Okay,
Everybody's just taking guns from me. I'm like walking over and trying to grab a gun, and then everybody's just like, nah. Yoink. Go. What did we get? Bulldog. I've never tried doing like control spray with Bulldog before, so I feel like this is gonna go so bad.
Safety's off.
Oh wait. Rose, can I quickly ask if you don't mind me asking, of course. Like, how old are you exactly?
I'm turning 21 in October.
Oh, you're younger than me.
Smoke's down. Stim beacon down.
Enemy B. There.
Yeah, you guys come in.
All right. Rotating back.
Charges.
Reloading.
What were you expecting, Beth?
Oh.
No, I think one guy might be on site.
What are you? Wait, they said they haven't even gotten sight yet.
KJ's below. Girl.
See ya.
Nice.
Out of here.
Plenty for main.
Damn.
Like flag.
60 on Gecko.
One enemy remaining.
Man, Brandon, you got a good shot.
But like 26?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, Mini Sunny. Oh god, welcome to Spooksville.
Yeah, you want my vandal?
No, this is the round we lose. Remember?
Yo, Phoenix, can I get that skin, bro?
This is the save round. We lose it.
I don't want.
No, not this one. Who gave you
the
this?
Okay, it's okay. We win. We win this round.
Oh,
We win
no,
this
you're
round.
right.
Then. You know, it's okay. We could just change fleet. It's fine. It's fine. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Everybody going in like a group. I don't know what these smokes are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Spike down B.
Ouch. 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 Why do I choose to play this game? Wait, you just changed the. Did you just change the title to just that? Also, how you doing, Mini Sunny? You know, welcome into chat. How's your day been? How's your day been, Rose? Where's Rose at? Which one's Rose? This one's Rose. Also, everything's going to prediction. From this point on, they lose. From this point on. It said solo cute. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha, Bethel. Gotcha, Bethel. Oh, do we think you can get a shout out for alert, by the way, Beth?
Enemy down.
Spike down
That would
A.
be amazing. I'm gonna open door right here. Oh,
Smoke's down.
what the fucking shit? That robot follows you that far? Oh my god, wait.
Yeah, they dropped spike.
Stinky Valorant player. Oh my god, she's on site.
Up top. Up top. That's where I usually go.
We have 48 seconds. We have to.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
no, okay, she's over to the side. Near the stairs.
Okay, well, you know, on the bright side,
Weapon.
think about it like this. Think about it like this, right? What if we just take bomb from them next time? We just don't give our teammates bomb.
I
'Cause,
have
like-
it. I usually try to have it because I'm Sentinel and I have setups.
Cause like, oh wait, did you give me your gun?
Yeah.
Can I get this?
Oh. Oh, I can't even buy. I can't buy you.
Oh well.
No, wait. No. What gun do you have? You have a pistol.
I'm built
Oh my
different.
god. Oh my god. Wait, no. Actually, though, she is built different. Guess we go into
Launching smoke.
a link site.
Stim beacon here.
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
Flanking, flanking.
One enemy remaining.
Less unknown.
Spikes down.
Nice. Oh wait, we don't have a Sage. Sage is on the enemy team. We don't need to play for that. We can literally just sit back. Oh,
Team A.
nice, good stuff. Good stuff, Chamber.
They're outthought, outfought.
Nice, nice. That worked. What worked? What are you talking about, Beth? Oh, are you talking about Rose's pistol? Yeah.
I was dead.
Yeah, it does work, Beth. You just. Oh, the pin message? Oh, you can pin. Oh my god, I totally forgot that we. The amount of times I've actually just like never used the pinned message command. I just gotta remember it says pinned. Like, you know what I mean? So does that work? Oh shit, hold on. It does work. It does work. Yeah. I'm gonna smoke. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the smoke unless you guys want to run through.
Enemy B.
They walled us off, so there's kind of no point.
Somebody grab on stage.
If you guys want to rotate over onto A site. Oh, never mind.
Last player standing.
Okay. Well,
Sage
what do I
is
do?
Will not kill
145.
my
Oh, 1v4.
Gecko's also hit. Gecko is back.
God damn it. Shit, I walked into that one. I walked into that one. Will they win? Yes or no? You know what? Just because of that, I'm putting
Why is
everything
the duelist
into
taking it?
everything into yes.
Why is the duelist taking it?
Can I have Spike? Oh wait. Can I have Spike? Oh.
Yeah, no.
No, that's right, cause he tried.
I take that as a no.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna. Oh, thank you. I guess. Oh. All right. Oh my god.
I hit 80 on KJ.
Planting for main here.
Placing
Then
alarm.
just say 105.
Found them. Placing alarm bot down. Placing swarm.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god, nice.
Give me the turret.
Oh, 40 on main. Careful.
Turret down.
Oh, you got him. You got him, Rose. Nice. Nice. Easy. Easy dump. Easy dump.
Such a pretty finisher.
Sentinels of Light. I really like the sound it makes whenever it shoots. Like, boo, 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 boo. Can I have it, please?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Like, look at this. What is the little buddy on here?
Ridian Thorn. It's from the Battle Pass. That's the only skin I've actually bought. Other than that, I have Battle Pass guns because I think they're pretty nice, actually.
Stim beacon here.
Bring them down.
Launching smoke.
Where are you?
She's below side. Nice, good kills, good kills. I'm gonna ult side actually.
One of them went over that way.
Placing sentry. Placing alarm bot.
All right.
One enemy remaining.
Enemy spotted. A.
There. Flawless.
Nice, nice, amazing work, team. Amazing work.
No more doubts. We're ready.
I got my
Where's that neon gonna go, anyways, huh? Where's that neon gonna go, anyways? Let's be honest here. W player, W game, WGG. What's up, Davey? How you doing? Davey, are you gonna be streaming later? Also, Rose, listen. I don't know what it is, but like, look at that scoreboard. I'm going positive, baby. I'm going positive. Let's go. Let's
Did you realize you
go.
have to kill him?
Let's go. Got rid of their smokes. What are they gonna smoke off?
Taken down.
Oh shit. Okay, you know what? That's unfair though. Okay, that's unfair. Listen, I was blinded. I was stunned, and then I got ulted on. Oh, you cleaned it up. You cleaned it up though. We're gonna win now.
One enemy remaining.
What, Davey? I think they heard him behind him, right? Oh my god. Better. Good cleanup. Oh my god. Clean clutch. Wait, he can't even hear me. Never mind.
If you keep pulling stunts like that, you can brag as much as you like.
I got money. Need something?
Oh my
You want it again?
goodness. Yes. Yes, I'll buy. Okay, I'll buy you.
Can I get this?
Nice. Nice. Bro, needed Elo brought down to bronze to look good. Listen, Poke, Elo is Elo, huh? Elo is Elo. I'm opening door here. Ready?
Smoke's down. Stim beacon down.
Bring them down.
Molly.
There.
Launching smoke.
One enemy remaining.
Last one's draw. Okay.
Nothing's perfect.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, that works. Also, thank you, Mary, for adding that at the very end. Yes. Walmart Omen. I don't really know what his plan was there because
Need something?
he kind of like, I don't think he could have killed 4 people TPing in there. But you know what? Who knows? What if it was his plan where, like, you know, sorry. What if it was his plan, like, he was like, what if I just confuse them and make them think that I'm on their team?
Launching smoke. Stim beacon here.
Bring them down.
Read like a book, huh?
Spike planted. My ult's ready.
I'm gonna go watch for flank, as well as play for ulti.
You will not kill
Smoke's
my
down.
allies. You should run.
Yeah. No.
Last player standing.
Damn. They're on spike.
I got one more at least.
Nice try.
I don't think I got the bomb though. Yeah. I should have planted a little bit more over here, somewhere like
Last
here.
round in the half.
Oops.
I got money. Need something?
All right. Why does this main person have a big head? Fuck, what are you doing with the title? Alright. I was born with it. I hope not. Mega Mind? That's crazy. Okay.
Smoke's down.
We're coming over to help you, Ula.
Stim beacon down.
No.
Eight on
Spike down
stage.
B.
Gecko is up above, Sage is behind boxes.
Whoa. You guys didn't see that. You guys did not see that. And if I see one single clip of that, I'm banning you. Ooh, what a good shot. Oh.
Oh.
Last player standing.
Oh God.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go. Oh my god. W. W, 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 W for real. W. I'm just giving him all the W's. Just giving it all. You know what? Maybe he deserves to be unmuted. Hold on. Hey Phoenix.
He does not.
Phoenix, can you hear me?
Turret out.
Need equipment.
I'm the fastest fingers in the West. Phoenix, I just want to tell you that you're amazing and you're beautiful.
I suck dick for
Okay,
money.
I see you. 14-7. Let's go.
Well.
Bruh.
Wait, don't put it out. That's bad luck. No noise, A main. I'm gonna pre-rotate for smokes for you guys. There.
Launching smoke.
There. Oh, that's not good.
Molly.
Someone coming up into tower. Careful, careful, Fade, careful.
Smoke's down.
67 on Neon, 25 on Gecko.
I see two of them.
Oh, okay. I had swung that way too wide there.
Damn.
Swung that way too wide. Demi, what is that word? Demi, my hero, poke my favorite. What? What is that word? Physically, like actually though. Alright. Alright, we save this round, we win next round. Easy. Easy. Right? Nothing can go wrong here.
Well, if there's 4 of us on this site, things can definitely go wrong.
Watch and learn.
Nah.
Chamber, please don't. That's my entire setup. Chamber.
What did you do?
He's essentially making my entire setup.
Careful
useless.
of boxes in front of you, Phoenix.
Oh, they're here.
Oh shit.
52 on Gecko.
Launching smoke.
Basically, I have like drop from A entirely covered with my setup.
Oh my god.
But
One of them had a guardian.
all I need is for somebody to like be taking care of A from their spawn. So if somebody goes up there, it makes my whole setup useless. And then at that point, I'm just having to watch an angle and my util has been wasted.
Wash up, man. Keep fighting. Rest is over.
You know what that means, right? That means that... You know, I actually don't know what that really means. But, think about it like this. What if we just... Wait. Oh wait, now you can do the setup though, right? Because Chamber's on this side. Yeah, look, Faye's gonna watch A main. Yeah, you guys got it.
Safety's off.
Great pair already made. Let's see, where is it gonna be? Oh. Oh my god.
Smoke's down.
Oh my god. Oh, there was one there. I should have just kept shooting. Omen's A main. Nice, good kill.
Spike down B.
Someone's B.
In the corner, get him!
Flawless.
Nice. You infantry? Or is that's not the infantry, is it?
Only as good as their skill. And there we have some
Also, that guy was really loud. Oh, Chicagoian. Oh, okay. Oh, Chicagoian. That makes sense. That makes sense. Also, I am illiterate. Yes, it's called dyslexia. It's a tragic thing. Oh. There's one here. Careful of arcade. I don't think anybody's watching it.
My name's Kevin Spacey. Coming A.
Rotating over. Smoking off for you.
Spike planted.
93 on a get-go, 2 on a drop.
Now we're
Dropped. Nice. One
Dear
stand.
God.
Oh, hit 80. Omen hit 80. Oh, NT.
Oh my lord.
It scared the shit out of me.
Whoever killed the
Neon, you're welcome.
Neon saved my life.
You are very welcome. Salute to you.
And that's why I need someone watching, because I
You
can't
got
watch
something.
both drop
Wait, what is
and
this?
over there.
GG. Okay. Don't even talk to me, Mary. You got something beyond dyslexia? Yeah. It's called love for you, Poke. AKA insanity. Because I know you'll never love me back.
Bring them down.
I think I actually just... there is one B man.
There's one A from opposite side of spawn.
Molly.
It's KJ. I think she's by herself. They might be trying to sneak me out.
They're underground. They might be going to arcade.
Smoke's down. Stim beacon down.
Oh, they're already passed into arcade. Neon's probably gonna be into tower. I'll watch tower.
Enemy B. 30 seconds left.
Bring them down.
65 on KJ. Nice, good kill. Sage might be rotating through dish over onto A side, just a heads up. Yeah, they're rotating through dish.
Ew. Yeah, let's go.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my
10
god, Rose.
seconds left. Spike down.
She's
A.
on site.
I got it.
Yeah, and Sage walled it.
Spike planted.
Oh my goodness. Good shit, lads. Good shit.
I headshot that Sage through a neon thing as it went up as she was jumping.
Oh yeah, no,
don't
I
know
saw.
how.
I was watching. That was like a sick ass
was
shot.
Hot.
It was a sick ass shot.
Do you want me to buy you so you have?
Oh,
some
actually,
directions?
could you? That would be oh so great.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh my god, it's Jerry.
Oh, wait, request.
Jerry, I love you so much. I just want you to know that. I miss you, man. Also, could you please stop killing me in Minecraft? Thank you. I think, no joke, 4 of my deaths are just from you solely.
They are mine.
Joe, give me a kiss. No, Jerry. You're underage. No. Stay away.
Bring them down.
Well, I know where they're not. Except the way that Phoenix went. Means now I'm fucking scared.
One main.
Let me still watch arcade.
I can fade it. Or smoke it off for you guys.
You should run. Spike down B.
Oh shit.
Hi! I'm pissed!
Nope.
You will
I at least was gonna try. I was at least gonna try, you know what I mean? Oh.
Killjoy. Come over here.
Amazing work.
Spike planted.
Killjoy, ult here.
Last player
mind.
standing.
74 on KJ. KJ and Sage are on site. They back up towards tower.
Oof, NT. Good try, man. See, the thing is, I needed one more kill for the ulti, and I was gonna try to do like a last ditch, like stay in the ult for a kill type thing. You know what? Actually, no, never mind. I was gonna see if someone's wanted to switch. Actually, I'll also save. Goodbye. What am I doing for real? I'll ask again in 3 months. Rip, you had ult. I didn't have ult. I just got ult this time. What do you mean by that? Good, interesting, bad. That was a terrible jump.
At least 2 people arcade.
Neon's also on B main.
Smoke's down.
Oh, 55 on Omen. He's in the little cubby on B main. Gecko pushed up, and also Neon's gonna be pushing up to B main as well, so they're on site.
Someone's planting. It's Gecko.
Spike planted.
Alarm bot out.
Nice. Oh my god, nice.
Teleport's ready.
Oh, careful tower.
Area is clear.
Last player standing.
Down.
2 tower.
Gecko, KJ, tower.
Ooh, NT.
Nice try.
Yeah. At that point, I feel like it's just like there's just so much that needs to be cleared there, especially without smokes and stuff like that. Uncluckers. Actually, I was gonna say I could play on A side if you wanted to. Like,
I
trade
can
with
set
me.
up B. I just much prefer my A setup.
Honestly, I think your A setup is like holding it down. That's why they keep going B.
If they come from upside, then my alarm bot gets them, and I trap them in 2 nanos. Okay, so there's 1 drop.
Yeah, I'm gonna rotate to give you guys some smokes.
Smoke's down.
There's at least 1 drop.
Rotating out to B. Go B.
Yeah, I think they're rotating as well.
I'm gonna
Launching smoke.
anchor this.
They're grabbing the orb.
Hush. My ult is out.
They're in spawn.
Inner spawn.
Last player
Oh
standing.
shit, that was a bad shot by me. I
30 seconds left.
reflexively went downward.
Spike
Yeah, there's
planted.
2 arcade. Ooh, NT.
Wait a minute. I need to stop scoping in. I'm getting stressed out, and I know that I'm not supposed to.
Are you using like a Phantom or Vandal for that?
Vandal.
Yeah, no. I totally get that. I didn't even realize you could scope in with the Guardian.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you actually get like no recoil. This is comp? Yes, this is comp, Jerry. This is comp, and we are now tied. Nice, good kill. I'm smoking off arcade. One in arcade.
There's at least 1 here.
Spike down.
There's 1 here back A main. They took out my turret.
beacon here.
Oh, you fucker.
23.
Smoke's down.
Oh, oh shit. He saw me. The bomb is up in tower, but there is one arcade. Careful, B main.
Dirty on KJ. She's
Bomb's still in tower,
Drop?
so you're good.
I come up behind them though.
Last player standing.
Oof, NT. I feel like at that point, right, would you want to like just not sit into tower and like wait for or play a bomb? Let's see. Does someone want to switch with me on A site?
You take A, I'll take B.
I can.
Yeah. No, you're good. I think honestly, like, this site's good for your setups.
Placing swarm grenade. Placing sentry.
Smoke off bomb. NT. You think a smoke off bomb would have been better, Jerry?
We have 4 people here. I'm not sure that was the move.
Oh yeah, no, we do have 4 people here.
2 sentinels should be enough to keep this site clear.
Smoke's down.
Well, we know where they aren't because of Phoenix.
Yeah, Phoenix cleared out fucking everything.
Okay, they're under.
Launching smoke.
Turret out.
Arcade help.
You lose.
Oh.
Stim beacon down. Molly.
30 seconds left. One
Yo,
enemy
yo, Arcade, he's on the side! I gotta get him with the Raptors!
down B.
Oh my god. Someone help him. Oh my god. Better. No joke, better, for real. Phantom, I don't want this. Phantom! Oh.
You want my
Jesus Christ,
I
Jesus
can
Christ,
use a
Jesus Christ.
phantom.
Do you want to? Alright, thank you so much. The Iron 3, what rank are you right now? I'm Plastic 2, bro. Iron 3, I don't even know what Iron 3 is. I'm Plastic goddamn 2. No, right now I'm sober, but I am not playing good whatsoever.
I'll find you.
Anyways.
I wish the people be main.
Good kills.
Here. 113 on Neon.
My ult's not ready.
Why did they rotate away from me so fast? They really all just said fuck you.
Oh god, we're blinded. We can't even peek out.
One enemy remaining.
I'm like, I have no idea where that even was. Yeah, I agree.
Out of charges.
I agree. Also, welcome back, Wisp. How you doing? So sorry. I'm literally like
You know
half
what?
focused while
Fuck
also.
this. I am guaranteeing.
You get yours. You get one. You're guaranteeing at least. You know what? Guaranteeing an ace. I'm manifesting it right now. They line up for you. They line up. You literally headshot all of them. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Is Phoenix spitting facts? Whoa, whoa, poke. Smoking off arcade. Smoking off B main as well.
Launching smoke.
I'm angry at this.
They're going under.
You should run.
My ult's not ready.
So dead.
Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Chamber might be gone, man.
Smoke's down. Dim beacon here.
They're both B. Don't go away.
Volley.
I feel like this is a really good angle. If there was ever
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Spike down B.
Oh! She's coming through instead of going tower.
Dinked.
She's hit for 104.
30 seconds left.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go!
GG's. Nice playing with you all.
Look at you, positive.
Yeah, but
Great.
I'm doing so bad. I've been doing so bad. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. GG's. See, look at that. I won 29 RR. How much is that? Literally everything that I just lost. Almost everything that I just lost. Besides like 8. Just like that. Just like that. We're up. Almost up in RR. Isn't that right, Rose? Isn't that right? Alright, you know what? Just...
I still have 3 placement games to figure out what my fucking rank is. So.
Your rank is probably going to be like silver. I think that's probably what's going to place you.
Doubt it. I don't think I want to finish these either.
That's okay. That's okay. We play some swift plays, huh? We relax, and then, you know, it's not that bad.
I think accessory shop reset. It did.
It did? Is there anything good?
Oh, I can get the finest title.
Oh my god. Lights out spray. Time's up, buddy. Catalyst title. I'm gonna get this potato. And then I'm just gonna put it on my Vandal because that's exactly where it belongs. Where is it? Buddies.
Potato.
Oh, wait, I need to filter. Owned. That's not it. What is this? Cookie? No. Where's the potato aim? There it is. Also put this on this as well. Actually, put the Duramon on here. Alright. Alright, that's good. That's amazing. We're doing great. We're doing great. You lucky bitch. Oh my god. Right? I'm actually so glad that I got this potato aim. What is this? Abyssal Guardian? Ew. I'm actually so good. I'm so glad that I got the potato aim, buddy.
Match found.
That was from a battle pass, right? Act 3 battle pass. Yeah. Rose, how's your day been? How's this comp and Spike Rush treating you?
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm
Mm-hmm. No. I agree. I agree as well. What's good on Breeze? I don't know who's good on Breeze anymore.
Viper.
I have no idea how to play Viper.
Omen.
I also don't know how to play Omen.
Brim.
Brim on Breeze? I thought Brim was bad on Breeze.
Oh, sorry, I meant Breach.
Oh. Wait, on Breeze?
Yes.
Rose, you sound
Cypher.
very unsure. Cypher. You think
I
Cypher?
love that you're asking me and that you're listening to me because I don't play. The last time I played this game, other than today, was also
Trust me,
with
we get
you.
it. We win it. We win this, huh? Hello. We win this. 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 Mid, Charmer, Habibi. What's it called? Curse, Vibin, Cursed, Day 1.
Yeah, no, read off my title. Read my title, why don't you?
UWU? I don't get it.
Hmm.
What is UWU? Is that like you winning you? You're winning your games?
Give the people what they want, Drowsy.
UWU. Poke, what are you saying? UWU dad. Dad.
Knows.
Dad. And then DY? I don't get it. Give it to me, Poke. Stay away from me, man. What's the worst that can happen? We're playing games. We're winning. We're doing great. Literally, absolutely nothing wrong that can happen whatsoever here. Whatsoever, right? Right? Please, please, guys. You know what's so funny is the fact that I made your little, what's it called? Your little PNG tuber or whatever, just like a lot smaller than my guy, and it looks like your PNG tuber is like a child.
It looks like that in the program I built her in as well. I made her height accurate, and it was like a child, and I was like, why the fuck? She's so short. And they were like, that's your height. And I was like, it is, but why does she look like that?
The game knows. The program knows. The program knows, Rose. Alright, how do I just do this? Go this way? You know what? I blind out this direction and then I peek out. I peek out this way. That means it causes them to flick at least towards me. You know what I mean? Who? Huh? Huh? Oh wait, I'm not a drowsy in this, thank God. Thank God, I was confused for a second. I was like, what you mean by that? That sky might be kind of screwed. Oh my God, they got saved.
Planted. Be in sight. Last player standing.
Nice.
Oh, that was high.
Oh.
That's true.
Well, you know, who won for prediction? Did he win? Yeah, I won. That's right. I won. That's right. I like to chill. Welcome back. Welcome back into chat. Did I miss you? I don't know. The real question is, though, do you believe in the Illuminati? Because there's symbols everywhere, even right here.
I believe in the Illuminati. I'll see myself out. I'm sorry. I'll leave.
I was like, well, you know, I guess that happened. What are the odds they push mid? I sneak up on them, no?
Spike planted.
Damn it.
Jesus, I'm just gonna fucking end it. I'm just gonna end it. I'm just gonna end it. No, I'm just gonna end it. 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 I'm just gonna end it.
I don't remember if I have my Discord stuff turned so you can hear me scream.
I did not hear
If
you
I
scream.
do, I'm so sorry.
No. I didn't hear you scream. I didn't hear you scream. You're good.
Okay, because if I don't have it turned like to that setting, all that people usually hear is like the inhale right as I start to scream.
Also, by end it, gang, on stream, I meant like ending the stream. That's what I meant. Just a heads up. That is exactly what I meant, and not anything more. Would just love to clarify that. You know. That's exactly what I meant.
Hyper shit here. Oh, they're here. They're here.
Oh yeah,
Help.
they're 100% there. What the flippa flappa. Right. Oh, good kill, Sky. Oh, not good kill, Sky.
Cutting their vision.
Peek it, peek it, peek it, peek it, peek it, peek it, peek it. One mid doors, by the way.
One twenty on Viper. She has ult. You might not want to let her plant. Nope. That's
A little bit
unfortunate.
too late there.
Out of charge. Last player standing.
She said 120 though.
Spike planted.
7400.
Okay.
Yet. Yet.
Last round before the switch.
You know what that means, right? I'm at least good for one here. Right? I think that's how that works. I'm at least good for one. I was made to be good for one. Watch this, watch this. I just need you to watch, okay? I just need you to watch, okay, Rose? Just watch mid and see how this goes, okay?
They forget their place.
I'm not gonna do that, but okay.
They will cover.
Planting on B side.
Spike planted.
Damn it.
Ha 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 ha.
Last player standing.
Oh my god. Oh.
You will not kill my ally.
It was a good NT. Doggy ski was. Sky,
Switching
hello?
sides.
This is your ace. Trust. I think my screen glitched a little bit. I don't know. I don't know if you saw that ace or not, but. But are you reacting to the? You're reacting to the sky blind, aren't you? You kind of blue screen. Oh,
This is
okay,
you
yeah,
and
yeah.
me.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. What?
This is you and me. This is you telling me we're doing comp.
This is
Me every round.
me every round. Revive me.
Reloading.
Just walk it off.
Puddles!
Hawk
Right.
out.
Still in sight.
What? Dog. What?
Last player standing. Flawless.
Hey,
Defenders win.
Rose. So I think that
So bad. Oh my god.
I think that we did great there, you know? That was so bad. That was so bad. The whole thing was just terrible. When like left after right, it was just not good. Oh my god. Alright, well, you know what that means, right, gang? It's time to end stream. Because it's 8:30, and that's the only reason totally why we're ending stream today. Thank you, Rose. Thank you, Rose, again, for joining. I can't, I actually can't breathe.
You need a minute over there? This is pretty normal for me as well.
This game
I'm
is
not even phased.
serious. This game is not serious. Oh my god. But
let me fall off the map as Mercy.
everyone, please go follow Rose. I shouted her out. Go check her out.
Thank you.
She's got even better gameplay on her end. League, You got Valorant. You got a lot of Overwatch actually. I got a little bit of variety games here and there. I'll follow for you, Joe. I'll follow you, Poke, anywhere you go. You know what's so funny is the fact that I don't even have like a webcam, yet I'm like actively like making gestures like go follow, go over there, go do this.
Oh, I do that too.
And it's
Every
just
time
like-
I end stream or like people come into my stream, I'm waving at people and I'm like, they can't see this.
They can't see this. All right. League, anything less than her being set main, I'm unfollowing. Poke, she's a set main. Trust.
No, I am not.
Shh, don't let them know.
I don't play
You don't need to-
men.
Hey, you don't need to let them know that. You don't need to let them know that. You're good. But you know, I think actually let's go see who's like up in what's it called? What was it, streaming right now, because we can go quickly rate someone with the amount of viewers that we have. Vac is streaming? It's been so long since Vac is streaming. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go raid Vac. We're gonna go raid Vac ban. Really old friend. Really, he's playing Valorant. He is 10 million times better than me. So you guys do not have to worry about gameplay or anything. He's like diamond. He's amazing. You'll like him. Guys. But you know, thank you for coming out to stream. Thank you for watching. Also, thank you, Rose, once again to join for duo, sacrificing your sanity for this. But yeah, no. Take care, guys. Remember to hydrate, drink, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Get out of here. Go. Okay.
I don't think I've ever been here for you ending a stream before.
Actually?
Yeah, I usually leave before you end.
Oh, well, now you're here.
I'm about to be gone. I'm gonna do Overwatch.
Wait, like, are you streaming it or are you done streaming for the day?
I'm done streaming.
Got it. Alright, well, thank you once again for real though, Rose. And I definitely will like hit you up to like one of these days. Honestly, I'm contemplating doing like a what's it called, Overwatch coaching and stuff like that, because I have no idea how to play Overwatch, and I definitely need
I'm
to.
happy to teach you the ropes on Overwatch.
But yeah. Definitely, we're gonna have to like plan something around that and do more stuff. But alright.
Just text me sometime.
Of
See
course.
ya.
Take care. Goodbye. Oh god, I can't even. Everything's popping up.
Last player.
No, I.
NT. Just let me get a heal.
Yeah, Arlo doesn't have much attack range.
Yeah,
so.
man, I love you guys so much.